Hi, Assalamu alaikum. This is Shahina. Welcome back to our new class. Today we start our PHP. PHP Basics. PHP stands for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. Initially, it is expanded personal homepage. It is a general-purpose server-side scripting language that was originally designed for web development to produce dynamic pages. PHP is an PHP hypertext preprocessor. It is a widely used web development application language. It is a server-side scripting language. We can make dynamic and interactive web pages by using PHP. PHP is an open source scripting language. PHP code can be embedded to HTML or XHTML document, and it is server-side scripting language, so it can be executed on server side for creating the dynamic web. PHP is easy to download and use. PHP is frequently together with MySQL, but in our syllabus we need a PostgreSQL. So the bundle of PHP, PostgreSQL and Apache server is also available for Linux and Windows platforms. What is a PHP file? PHP file can contain HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. PHP codes are executed on a server and the result is returned back to the browser as a plain HTML. PHP expansion is .php. You can write PHP code on your notepad and save the extension .php. That file contains HTML, CSS, JavaScript and purely PHP code. All are working under .php extension. What can PHP do? These points are self-explanatory. PHP can generate dynamic web page content. PHP can create, read, open, write, delete and close file on the server. PHP can collect form data. PHP can send and retrieve cookies. PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. PHP can be used to control user access. PHP can encrypt data. With PHP, you are not limited to output HTML. You can output images, PDF file and even flash movies. You can also output any text such as XHTML and XML. നമുക്ക് PHPയിൽ നോർമൽ ഔട്ട്പുട്ടിന് പകരം നമുക്ക് ഔട്ട്പുട്ടായിട്ട് ഇമേജസ്, PDF, ഫ്ലാഷ് മൂവീസ് വരെ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. Then എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് PHP? Why PHP? PHP run on various platforms, any platform like OS, any platform like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, etc. PHP is compatible with almost all servers used today, Apache, IIS, etc. PHP supports a wide range of databases and PHP is a free open source platform. We can easy to learn and run efficiently on the server side. Let's start with our PHP syntaxes. PHP script. It is a scripting language. Already we learned a scripting language, JavaScript. JavaScript are embedded in an HTML page by using a script tag. But in the case of a PHP, it is a web server scripting web server side scripting language or server side scripting language. So there is no need to embed this into an HTML page, which means .html. HTML പേജ് എക്സ്റ്റൻഷൻ വെച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ PHP കോഡ് അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് എംബഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതൊരിക്കലും വർക്ക് ചെയ്യില്ല, ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ്സ് നീഡ് എ കമ്പൈലർ or execution strategies. It's a server-side scripting language. So, if you want to create a website by using PHP code, the extension of the page must .php. For example, index.php. In PHP page, we can embed HTML, CSS, JavaScript, any code. But this page is executed on a server side. Then after the execution, the result come back to our browser as a plain HTML, because our web browser read only a HTML pages. നമ്മുടെ വെബ് ബ്രൗസർ എപ്പോഴും നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്പ്ലേ തരാൻ പ്യുവർ HTML പേജസ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എഴുതുന്ന PHP കോഡ് സർവർ സൈഡിലേക്ക് പാസ് ചെയ്യും. ദെൻ അവിടെ നിന്നായിരിക്കും അത് എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം നമുക്ക് തിരിച്ച് നമ്മുടെ ബ്രൗസറിൽ തന്നെ ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ചെയ്യും. ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, PHP റൺ ചെയ്യാൻ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് വേണം? ഒരു വെബ് സെർവർ വേണം. ഈ വെബ് സെർവർ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ലോക്കൽ വെബ് സെർവേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലാപ്പ് ഓർ വാപ്പ് ആണ്, ബിക്കോസ് വി നീഡ് ടു ഹാവ് എ ഡാറ്റാബേസ് പോസ്റ്റ്ഗ്രസ്. അപ്പോൾ ലോക്കൽ വെബ് സെർവർ നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അത് വെച്ച് നമ്മൾ ഇത് എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യും. ഹൗ ടു എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് എന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ പിന്നീട് പഠിക്കും. ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് PHPയുടെ സിൻടാക്സ് നോക്കാം. Every PHP script start with angular bracket question mark PHP, end with question mark angular bracket. Here I mention the code. Then in between these code we can write any PHP code. Then save the file by using an extension .php. Every PHP statement end with semicolon, just like a C language. Here I demonstrate a simple scripting, PHP scripting code. This is our first PHP program. This is a first page, PHP page or first program for printing hello world on our document window. Here I use HTML tags for heading. Then in HTML code I put a PHP script, PHP angular bracket question mark PHP echo hello world. Echo is a printing statement. If you want to print anything on our document window, we use echo function. Echo, then hello world is a string. String is enclosed with double quotes. So this will print hello world. After printing or displaying my first PHP page, we can print hello world. Type this code into our notepad and save this code an extension .php. If you put comments on your PHP code, we can use / for single line command, hash also used for single line command, /* and // is used for multiple line command. / and /* we also familiar in our JavaScript, but hash is used for single line command. PHP is a case sensitive. We can use PHP, suppose the keywords, classes, function, user-defined functions are not case sensitive, but the variable names are case sensitive. Please note that all the variable names are case sensitive, but the keywords, classes, functions and user-defined functions are not case sensitive. PHP variable, just like C or JavaScript variable is a named memory location that store data at any runtime. The value of a variable is a value of its most recent assignment. Value of a variable can be assigned by using an operator, assignment operator. Variables here also no need to declare before the assignment. Variables do not have an intrinsic type, just like JavaScript. That is, in advances, there no need to explicitly declare the type of a variable. PHP automatically converting the type from one to another when necessary, and also which type of variable is stored on a variable is also its type. How can I declare a variable in PHP? Creating or declaring PHP variable. Here some difference. Please note that in PHP all variable names must start with a $sign. $txt equal to hello world. Hello world is a value which is stored on a variable txt. Variable names are case sensitive, so please note. All the variable names must start with a letter and follow the other characters. Dollar is the special character and followed the other names. Variable naming conventions are similar to any other programming language construct. In C, we can't start with a number. Similarly, in PHP, we can't start with a number. It's a illegal variable, and we cannot put space in between the two words in a variable. We can only permitted special characters are underscore. These are creating a variable. Consider an example. PHP txt equal to hello world. Here I create a hello world value to a variable txt, and $x is equal to 5. 5 is assigned to a variable $x. 10.5 is assigned to a variable y. Please note that x is an integer type variable, y is a floating point type variable, and txt is a string type variable. PHP automatically convert the variable to its correct data type depends upon the value. We call it as loosely tupled language. And unlike any other programming language, PHP has no command to declaring a variable. It is created a moment you just assign a value to it. Then we have a local and global variables. A variable declared outside the function is known as global variable, and a variable declared inside in the function is called as local variable, and its scope is only for that function. Global variables are declared by using a global keyword. We put A global keyword on a variable name. Global $x and $y. It is a global variable, so we can access inside and outside the functions. Static keyword. What is the usage of static keyword? Static. If you want to preserve some values in a variable, then we use a static keyword. Suppose static x is equal to 0, then print the echo $x, then x is incremented. After each time we can call the function myTest. The variable x value is incremented by 1 and the last value is preserved in $x because $x is a static variable. The variable is still local to the function. Please note that. PHP constant. A constant is a variable whose value cannot be changed during the execution of a program. In PHP, we can create constant by using define function. Syntax of define function: define name, comma, value, comma, case insensitive. Name specifies the name of the constant. Value specifies the value of the constant. Case insensitive specifies whether the constant name should be case insensitive. By default, it is false. For example, define greeting welcome to w3school.com or greeting welcome to w3school.com, comma, true. Define greeting. Greeting is written in capital letter. It is a variable, constant variable name and having a value welcome to w3schools.com. Here, welcome to w3schools.com is assigned to a variable greeting. Greeting is a constant variable. And print the greeting variable by using echo statement. Echo greeting. That will display welcome to w3schools.com. Please note that constants are automatically global and can be accessed across the entire script.